Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be watching a song from the upcoming Malayalam film Narivetta, which stars Tovino, and this song is called Minnal Wala. Minnal Wala, and this is a video song, so it's not a lyric video. There's one more song which has recently dropped because this released almost a month back. So I thought I'll first listen to this one, and I think there's a song with Vedan. So you guys can let me know if I should react to that song as well. Now, once again, this is on Sony Music's channel, so they usually, if I show the reaction screen, they block it, and I always have to blur it out. So again, that disclaimer still stands for this particular video as well. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch the song right away. Romantic song. Ooh, I already like the sound of this.
കണ്ണോട് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ കണ്ടെത്തി ഞാൻ ആയിരം താരകൾ പൂത്തുവെന്ന് പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും കണ്ട നേരം പുഞ്ചിരി പൂത്തുലഞ്ഞു കാണാതെ വയ്യെന്ന തോന്നലായി കണ്ടിട്ടും കണ്ടിട്ടും പോരാറായി തൊട്ടപ്പോൾ ആത്മാവിൽ തേൻ നിറഞ്ഞു പൂ പോലെ നീ വിരിഞ്ഞു ഉള്ളിൽ ഒളിച്ചൊരു മോഹമെല്ലാം കള്ളത്തരങ്ങളുടെ തുള്ളികളായി കണ്ട നേരം കൊണ്ടലായി കൊണ്ടലിൽ മിന്നലായി മിന്നൽ വാട
Minnal Wada. La is not love.
എത്തിത്തോടാ എത്തുകില്ല മാറിവില്ലാണു നീ മിന്നൽ വാട
Oh, this is awesome. I love this.
പെണ്ണഴകേ
Jakes for the win always.
എത്തിത്തോടാ എത്തുകില്ല മാറിവില്ലാണു നീ
See, when I'm standing and listening to the songs, I can just dance to it also. Nice. Jakes.
ഈറൻമുടി കൊതിയൊരുങ്ങി വെണ്ണിലാ ചന്ദനം തൊട്ട് അത്തിമരച്ചോട്ടിൽ വന്നാൽ താരകരാവ്
Wow.
രാവിൽ നിന്റെ പൂമുഖം കണ്ട് പുളകം കൊണ്ട് നല്ലീളം കാറ്റ് കണ്ണാടി പുഴയിലെ പൂങ്കിരകൾ
Straight to the playlist, guys. Straight to the playlist.
കയ്യിലിട്ട പെണ്ണഴകേ എത്തിത്തോടാ എത്തുകില്ല മാറിവില്ലാണു നീ കണ്ണോട് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ കണ്ടെത്തി ഞാൻ ആയിരം താരകൾ പൂത്തുവെന്ന് പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും കണ്ട നേരം പുഞ്ചിരി പൂത്തുലഞ്ഞു ഉള്ളിൽ ഒളിച്ചൊരു മോഹമെല്ലാം കള്ളത്തരങ്ങളുടെ തുള്ളികളായി കണ്ട നേരം കൊണ്ടലായി കൊണ്ടലിൽ മിന്നലായി മിന്നൽ വാട കയ്യിൽ ഇട്ട
Wow.
പെണ്ണഴകേ
Lovely.
എത്തിത്തോടാ എത്തുകില്ല മാറിവില്ലാണു നീ മിന്നൽ വാട കയ്യിൽ ഇട്ട പെണ്ണഴകേ എത്തിത്തോടാ എത്തുകില്ല മാറിവില്ലാണു നീ
Oh no, problem starts from there. I loved this song. There's nothing not to like about the song. It's amazing. It's a shame that I am not able to show the reaction screen because otherwise this channel will block it. Will block the video. Anyway, let's stop this. Sid Sri Ram and Sitara. Firstly, though, a round of applause for them because, wow, the way they have sung. I mean, Sitara did not have much lines, but Sid really carried the song. But I loved Sitara's part as well. But I think the real winner here is Jake's because the composition, guys, the composition is just so amazing. You know, there are certain songs when you hear, you just love it. This, oh my god. And I love it when I get a really good romantic song to listen to. It's just nice. It just makes my heart very, very happy. You know, this happened exactly with Chal Del Kochi, huh? So I have listened to the song. I still listen to the song so much. So, and it's a romantic song. So whenever I listen to a really good romantic song, my heart is just full of happiness. And here, obviously, because the closed captions were not given, the subtitles were not given, so I don't know what it actually means, but I'm sure the meaning is beautiful. I'm sure the meaning is beautiful. But the way both the singers have sung the song, the way that happiness element is there in the music, in the composition, and also between the verses, the instrumentals are so well done. What is Jake's doing, man? This is not fair. It's not fair because, like, I cannot repeat the same thing again and again about how much of an amazing composer, I'm saying composer he is. Like, I cannot stress this enough. And he's just such a gem. He's just such a gem in the Indian music industry space. Deserves so much more recognition, deserves so much more love from all of us, because of just his entire repertoire is filled with insanely good songs. Like, when I sit and think about it, my mind is always blown away. Like, how can he compose such a range of songs and so effortlessly? It just sounds so amazing. The melody just hits you. It just pierces through my heart, especially romantic songs. Too good, too good. So I loved the song. Now I know, because the other song that has recently dropped, it's with Vedan, and I'm assuming it's going to be a rap, and I'm assuming again it will not have the subtitles. So with rap, I don't know. I would want to know what it is about, because when I watched the trailer, the topic is extremely, extremely serious. So, considering Vedan's rap, I'm sure it's going to be talking about a lot of things which are related to the film. So, I don't know. I would prefer, let me just see if I can get that video subtitled, and then I will react to it. You guys can let me know on this. So yes, that was the reaction, and it was just so beautiful. Minnal Wala from Narivetta, and please let me know your thoughts about the song in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.